Hi, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how to cook a Chinese eggplant, vegetarian Chinese eggplant. This eggplant is a homegrown eggplant. Of course, it is the end of the season, so it's kind of like run out of shape. But otherwise, you can get a real eggplant like this, a small, skinny one at the Chinese grocery. It's very simple, delicious dishes for vegetarian. Uh, if you are a meat eater, you can always add some, beef or pork in that. Okay. But today I'm gonna show you a vegetarian one. It's very easy. You just have some garlic, and if you like spicy, you can have some chili. Okay. And you're gonna chop out the eggplant, and what you need is sauce. You need if you can get one bottle of this is called black bean garlic sauce, made up from this guy called can you see it? Li Kamki in English. So I will post it on my site. So this sauce is very good, tastes very good for eggplant. And you need Indonesian sweet soy sauce. And if you don't have this sauce, you can always use the one chili oil black bean is also very good. Okay, so it's a very simple dishes. So these are the basic ingredients. The most take you 5 minutes. Okay, all right, 5 minutes to cook, so let's do it. Okay, so after you slice all the eggplant and then the chili and the garlic, so you're gonna heat up your stove. Okay, you're gonna start to heat the stove. So after you heat the stove, you have to pour some oil, and you have to pour more oil for the eggplant, because it absorbs oil very quick. Okay, then we're gonna put the garlic in there. Put the chili. Then you're gonna pour all of this in there. See, they absorb very quick the oil. So you're gonna leave it for a while. Usually they boil it, but I just don't like to boil the eggplant. It will run out of the taste. Okay. So after you fry for a while, they start changing the color. You can add some sauce. Okay, so you can add some of this black bean sauce, and then you can add some of this. You can add some salt if you want. And you see the color is changing, very nice. And the final step, you just add this This is make it very delicious. So regular, I just taste on my hand, okay? So it's probably a couple teaspoons. And just leave it for a while, okay? Few more minutes to be done. Now you see the eggplant change. These are very yummy. This a little bit cooked now. See, very soft. Okay. If you find out you have too much oil, you can just leave the oil. Okay? Pick up the eggplant. Okay. So the last step, just put this in there. That's it. We're done. Ready.